Here's a video of my 1979 homelite Super XL12 with a straight stack muffler. I just got done cleaning this up with the air compressor on it too, right before I make a video on the extreme power. But it's a good old saw, but it's a very good firewood saw. Not occasionally something to use every day to cut firewood, but it is old. Pretty old and antique, or something to use as an emergency. As an emergency saw, just in case. So I'll talk about the features on this one. Pull cord, on switch, throw lock, choke, manual oiler. It's got an automatic oiler. Had valve spikes. Top fuel tank and oil tank. Side tensioner bolts. And the chain tensioner. But this is the half original paint, but this is new paint that I put onto this saw, including the back of a rear handle. But it does run real sweet, but it is a little bit loud. I'll start it up and let you hear that one. You better turn down the volume on your headphones. It is a good runner, but it does sound like a V8 engine. So yeah. It runs real good. It's a very good saw. I will continue to use it because it builds my muscles up. But anyways, here's the video of my homelite Super XL12. Thank y'all for watching.